Hi guys, it's Jody. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with two of my fellow YouTuber artists and friends, Mandy from Hope Designs and Muna from Monarosa Art. Two fantastic artists, and I'm going to put their links below because you're going to want to go check out their collab videos as well after you check out mine. But the idea is we wanted to kind of collab on colors, and each week one of us is going to get to pick colors for all of us to be able to do. And this week, Muna decided on earth tones. So I'm going to be doing earth tones in this video, and then Muna and Mandy are going to be doing earth tones in their video, and we're going to release it at the same time. And then the idea is, for example, you're watching mine and then you go watch theirs after mine, just to kind of get the full effect. It's just something a little bit fun we decided to do here as friends and fellow artists. I'll tell you more about the colors that I've chosen as we get started painting, but I wanted to let you know that I am using the Infinity for this video, my new favorite. But it's just the Infinity Joe Sonia, and I just wanted to make reference to that. It's 3 parts of the Infinity to 1 part of the Joe Sonia. And then you'll see me using a different pillow as well. And I explained all that, so let's go get started having some fun painting. All right, I'm going to be working on this 8x10 oval canvas that I get these from Hobby Lobby. They're really nice. I love this shape. And the pillow I'm going to be using is the Glidden Premium, but instead of eggshell, I'm using satin. I just bought a couple more tins, gallons of my eggshell, and I had to stir them up so they're a little bubbly, so they're resting. And I had an older gallon of the satin, and I like both, but the satin is thinner, so keep that in mind. It's still cold in here, so I don't mind it being a little bit thinner, because technically it's a little bit thicker. It's all about your environment. The satin's going to be thinner, the eggshell is going to be just a touch thicker, but if you're in a warmer climate, all your paints are going to be thinner. If you're in a colder climate, your paints are going to be thicker, so you just need to adjust accordingly. So I go between satin and eggshell just depending on the time of year and the gallon I have and all manner of other stuff. So, all right. And let's see here. The first color I'm going to put down is this little piggy cinnamon. It's kind of a nice copper color. And there's that one. The next color I'm going to put down is Hooker's Green by Joe Sonia. This one turned out just a little bit thicker, but we're going to roll with it. I don't mind. With this medium, the Infinity, it can handle a little variance in the consistency I'm finding, which is good. And the next color I'm going to put down is Golden Fluid Turquoise, Phthalo Turquoise. And then the next one's going to be this little piggy's Meteorite. It's kind of like it almost looks silver, but it has a gold hue to it as well. I'm still trying to figure out, is it gold, is it silver? It's kind of a mix of both. It's a really awesome pigment, the color. This is what it looks like mixed up. And I didn't do anything special with these. These are all just mixed with the Infinity Joe Sonia. I didn't put any Bear in. And you can see the pigments just take to it really nicely. They've got that nice shimmer. Obviously, it's not bare, but it's pretty darn close. I'll show you the copper again, too, just for comparison. It's pretty sparkly. All right. And then my next color, actually, that's my last color. Burgundy. And I mixed a little bit of quinacridone burnt orange, the golden fluid. I have most of this, and I just put maybe a squirt, probably just one squirt, just to darken it up and make it a little bit more rusty in color, since we're going for the earth tones here. And I don't want to put a lot of this on, just a little. I don't want it to take over. I think that's good. Add a little bit more right there. When I blow out, I don't want it to blow onto the canvas itself. That's good. All right, I'm trying a new angle for blowing out. Let me know what you think of it, if you want me to go back to the side or if this one will work out. The cell activator I'm going to be using is my normal Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed with Australian Floetrol 4:1. Not ready to have you go off yet. All right, let's see. I think that's good. All right, let's see how this spins out. I will meet you over at the spinner box. Let's put a little bit of pillow over here. I don't have a lot left in here. That's all right. Okay, that's good. Get the center just a little bit more where I want it to kind of go. All right, there's that. See that? Okay. All right. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, wow. Why does it always, when you first spin it, You don't want to spin it again, but you have to get your paint off. Gosh, that's gorgeous. I love this all over here. Move that over just a little to try and save some more of this and get rid of a little bit of this blue over here. Wow. Whew. The meteorite and the cinnamon in there, they are, wow. I don't want to touch it anymore. Not really moving. Let me just do a quick baby spin. I think we're good. I think that is good. Yeah, I'm calling that done. I've got all nice, this just got all the colors in it, and it's representing. It is representing. All right. I'm going to get cleaned up and I will bring you over for the flyover of this guy. All right, here's the flyover. I am never going to stop gushing about this infinity. Even just by itself, without the bear. I mean, look at this. These cells are just fantastic. And that sparkle in there from the cinnamon and the meteorite. It is off the chart. I didn't know how these colors were going to work together. I was a little nervous. I don't normally do earthy tones. Not a huge fan. Maybe one or two, but not all together. But this is something else. I cannot wait to see how this dries. So I will be back once this is dried to show you the results. And I'm back to show you the dried results of the piece that you just saw me do. And when I started this venture, I wasn't sure because I don't normally do a lot of earth tones together. I like them just a little bit more separated. But holy wow, I was so excited about this piece and it dried beautifully. Trying to pick up like the shimmers in it. It's just got nice, that cinnamon and the meteorite in there. Really. Let me move this just a hair over. The light can pick that up. But it just dried. Just gorgeous. I think one of my new favorite pieces. Yeah. I can't help it. So with my collab video done, I put the links to Mandy and Muna's channels down below. So please go watch their channels and check out the colors that they used in their earth tone painting. I'm excited. I'm going to go check out their videos as well. I hope this inspires you a little bit to maybe use colors that you aren't comfortable with or out of your comfort zone. I usually drag my feet on it at first and I'm like, I don't know if I want to do it, but then sometimes it turns out really well and I have a new favorite color combo. Other times, well, it gets scraped. So I hope you had fun watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.